Welcome to Tenny's vlog, Tale of a Solo Traveler. In this video, join me as I explore the serene beauty of Ooty's tea estates, shrouded in a mystical blanket of mist and fog. The rolling hills, lush green tea plantations, and tranquil atmosphere create a dreamlike experience, perfect for anyone seeking peace and natural beauty. As the mist drifts through the valleys, I'll take you on a journey through one of Ooty's most iconic landscapes. Like, comment, and subscribe to Tenny's vlog for more solo travel adventures and breathtaking scenic escapes.